Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves extracting insights and knowledge from data. A roadmap for data science in 2024 should cover a broad range of skills and knowledge areas, including statistics, programming, data visualization, machine learning, and more. Here's a comprehensive roadmap to guide your journey through data science in 2024. 1. Fundamentals of data science. Mathematics and statistics start with basic statistical concepts like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, probability, and distributions. Also, learn linear algebra and calculus derivatives, gradients, etc. Programming languages. Python is the most popular language in data science, so focus on mastering it. Learn basics like data structures, control flow, and functions. R is also valuable for statistical analysis. 2. Data manipulation and analysis. Data libraries. Learn to work with data libraries in Python, like pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for numerical computations. Data wrangling. Understand how to clean, transform, and preprocess data. This includes handling missing values, outliers, and data normalization. Exploratory data analysis (EDA). Get comfortable with tools and techniques for visualizing and exploring data, for example, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. 3. Machine learning. Fundamentals of machine learning. Learn the basic concepts and algorithms, such as linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and clustering. Scikit-learn. This popular machine learning library in Python offers a variety of tools for training and evaluating machine learning models. Advanced machine learning. Explore more complex algorithms like ensemble methods, random forest, gradient boosting. Support vector machines, VVM, and neural networks. Model evaluation. Understand how to evaluate models using techniques like cross-validation, confusion matrices, and ROC curves. 4. Deep learning. Neural networks. Learn the basics of deep learning, including the architecture of neural networks. Deep learning frameworks. Get familiar with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Advanced deep learning. Study convolutional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformers for specific use cases like image recognition and natural language processing. 5. Big data technologies. Distributed computing. Learn about Hadoop, Spark, and similar technologies for working with large-scale data. Data storage and databases. Understand SQL for relational databases and NoSQL for non-relational databases like MongoDB. Cloud computing. Learn about cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for scalable data storage and computing resources. 6. Domain-specific knowledge. Business acumen. Understand how data science can solve business problems and drive decision-making. 8. Following this roadmap can guide you through the key areas of data science and help you develop a strong foundation for a successful career in 2024.